Creating video from just simple text prompt and also images right there has actually been made easy with the help of AI tools. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through an AI tool called the Prome AI that you can use to go on to generating some cool and amazing videos just by utilizing text prompts and also maybe images that you could convert to videos right there. As you can actually see the videos which you saw on the screen right there, they were all created with the help of this AI tool called the Prome AI right now. And if you do come onto this platform, which is called the promeai.com, you'll be brought to a homepage such as this, where you can actually go on to see more details about the AI tool that you can go on to using this for sketch rendering, AI image generation, image variation, for creating fusion, for the photo to sketch, also background diffusion, text effects, and AI supermodel. You can also see right that you can go on to doing the image editing such as HD upscaler, erasing and replacing of some stuff, relight, out painting, and you could do the video creation such as the image to video and text to video right now. So if you do actually go on to scrolling through this platform, you'll be able to know more details about the platform right here. But basically all you need to do is to go on to sign up for your account right here for absolutely free. Click on this login as sign up button right here, and you can actually go on to sign up for free just by utilizing your email address, of which if you do sign up successfully, you will be brought to a page that will look similar to this. And right now guys, you can see that you could go on to exploring the infinite possibilities of AI just by utilizing this platform to revolutionize the way you work, leading to increased efficiency, productivity, and also innovation. And you can actually see there are a lot of cool stuff that you can go on to utilizing for image generation right now. But basically guys, I'm not going to go on to focusing on the image generation, since in this video we're actually focusing on how to go on to generating videos. So in that sense right there, I'm just going to focus only on the image to video section and also the text to video section. And if you do take a look at this right here, you'll find out that both of them are actually in the beta phase right now, meaning that you can actually go on to generating content with those particular sections or those particular tools for 100% free right now. You could actually generate content 100% free and unlimited content right there, due to the fact that they are still in their beta and testing phase right now. So all you need to do right now, maybe if I do go on to selecting the text to video option, I'm just going to go on to selecting that right here, and the page is actually going to go on to loading up. Once the page loads up, you'll be able to see lots of cool videos right here that were actually created with the help of this platform just by utilizing simple text right there. These are actually community videos right now, videos that were created by other people on this platform. You can go on to just simply checking out this video right here. You can actually see lots of cool videos right now. Supposing I want to just simply show you one of the videos right there, I'm just going to play this video for you to actually see how cool and amazing the video actually looks like. And the videos right here mostly are about 3 seconds in terms of length. So take a look at how cool the video actually looks like. As you can see right here, this is a motion video. I can actually upscale it and you can see how cool the video goes on to looking like. And this video was created just by utilizing a simple text prompt. You can see the prompt that was used right here, which says a woman with the sun, good result, 4K, high frame rate, over the shoulder. And that is the prompt that this person actually used to generate this image or this video right here. And also this is actually the image generation style or model the person went on to utilizing. So all you need to do right now is to just simply head back right there. You can actually go on to checking out other cool and amazing videos right there that were all created with the help of this AI tool, as all the videos are right here are actually looking quite cool and amazing. You can actually go on to checking out other videos right there. They'll actually look quite amazing right there. So once you actually do check that, to generate your own image right there, you may actually come right here and just simply going to paste in your prompt. Maybe if I do paste in that exact same prompt right now, if I do paste in the prompt right now, maybe, or I do go to drafting out something else. So if I draft out something like this, which says beautiful girl walking on the street, realistic, and 4K. If I actually do go on to drafting out a text such as this right here, and I just want to utilize that to generate my image or my videos right there, I'm just going to come right here and actually go on to selecting the video style I want to use. And you can see that there are different styles right here, from the general natural to the general cinematic, general commercial, general fantasy, and so on and so forth. You could also go on to seeing the conceptual art and different styles in the conceptual art that you can go on to utilizing. You could also see illustration and also art. Basically go on to selecting one that is suitable to you right now. Maybe I want to just simply utilize something like the general cinematic. I'm just going to select that. You can come right here, select the scale of the video, and you want to just simply select the one that's suitable to you. Maybe I do prefer something like a landscape, which is 16:9. I'm going to leave that on that. And the motion, you can leave that on high or low. And once you are done, click on generate, and your video will actually begin to get generated right here. As you can see right now, this is the amount of coins you actually do get for generating videos right there. As you can see, this is the amount which you spend for one relaxed generation. This is the amount you spend 2 coins for one video generation with/without watermark. So guys, you can see right here that you just simply have to be patient a little and your video will be generated, and you can go on to seeing how cool the video looks like. So I'm going to pause the video until this has been generated. So guys, take a look at this right here. This is the video that was generated right now, and you can just simply go on to playing the video right now. This is how the video actually looks like. This one right here is like an image of the video, and this is actually the animation right here. Just by creating this video, you just simply utilize the text. You can upscale that, and you can actually go on to downloading that on your device right now. You can also do this one right here, which is the picture in picture, to get that right there. So basically guys, you can just simply create much more videos right there. Maybe you want to just simply create another video. You can just simply utilize a different prompt or a different kind of style that you want to just simply utilize right here. As you can see, these are all different styles that you want to just simply leverage. Maybe I want to just simply utilize this style, which is the realistic fantasy. I'm just going to click on that. I'm going to click on generate, and you will be able to see the kind of image that will be generated right here just by utilizing this simple style. So right now guys, take a look at the image that was generated, or rather the video that was generated right now. You can see that there is a difference in video that was generated based on the kind of style that you actually went on to utilizing. You can see that right here that these are actually 2 different styles that was utilized, and they went on to creating different kinds of videos right now. So basically you just need to play around all this and go on to creating videos based on a specific style you actually do like right now. As you can see, there are different styles ranging from the art, illustration, conceptual art, and photography, and under all of them right there, they also have different kinds of styles right there. So just simply go on to generating cool content with the help of this platform right now. So you can actually go on to trying out the image to video right here. Maybe if you do already have an image on your device that you want to just simply go on to convert into a video, you can actually utilize this section right here. To utilize this section right here, you just need to go on to uploading one video right now on this platform. You could click on this plus icon, and you just simply need to go on to scrolling through your device to upload a video or an image from this platform. So supposing I actually go on to grabbing an image, and I go on to uploading this image on this platform right now, you can actually see right here that the image has been uploaded successfully right now on this platform. I can actually go on to editing the motion that I want for the video right now, and once I'm done, I'm just going to click on generate, and the generation process has actually begun. You can see right here that it's actually the 3rd in the queue. So you just want to wait for some seconds right there, or a little amount of time for your video to be generated. So guys, take a look at this guys. This is actually the video that was generated right now. I can just simply play the video, and you can see how cool the video goes on to looking like right now. And this is quite amazing right here, that just from that single image, it went on to creating a simple video right now. So all you need to do is just simply to play around this right here and get some cool content that you could just simply go on to utilizing right now. If the video did add any form of value, hit the like button to the video. Make sure you actually head on to my channel and subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all right there. And you can just simply leave any question you do have in the comment section, and I will be able to go on to giving you a valuable reply right there. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.